we have cosine raised to second power. Let me rewrite this. This is equal cosine of pi minus x to second power. Now we see that to find the derivative of this function, we have to use the derivative of function raised to a power. So let me remind this formula. When we have x to power n, this is equal, we copy the power times x, and the power is less 1, n minus 1. So in our case, y prime is equal, first we have to just copy the power, so it will be 2 times, and we copy the whole expression which is inside parentheses, so we have cosine of pi minus x, everything is to power 2 minus 1. And because we have composite function here, we have to find the derivative of cosine now. We know that the derivative of cosine of d is equal negative sine of d. So we will have times negative sine of, and we have just copy this, pi minus x, and again because we have here pi minus x, again we have inside function, so we have to find the derivative of pi minus x. The derivative of constant, because pi is constant number, is 0, and derivative of negative x is negative 1. So we have 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So it will be times negative 1. This is equal. We have positive number, negative and negative give me positive. So we have 2. And first I can put sine of pi minus x times, we have cosine pi minus x to power 2 minus 1 is just 1, so we don't have to write the power, so it will be cosine of pi minus x. This answer is correct, but we can use here formula for double angle if someone forget. When we have sine of 2y, this is equal to sine of y times cosine of y. So we can rewrite this whole expression to sine of 2 of pi minus x. And this is my solution.